Dear students, you are watching Dev's Academy. Today you will get some problems solved from polynomials. This is for class 9 and CBSE stream. CBSE class 9. Some solved problems from polynomials. The first question is that without actual division, prove that 2x4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2 is divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. When it is given that x square minus 3x plus 2, at first we have to find its factors. We have to find its factor. Now let px is equal to 2x4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 2, and let gx equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, of which factor is to taken out, and gx, when its factor is taken out, it is like that x minus 2 and x minus 1. When x square minus 3x plus 2 divides completely without any remainder, the px, that means x minus 2 and x minus 1 both will divide the polynomial px, because it is completely divisible. By factor theorem it is known that px will be divisible by this gx, that is x minus 2 and x minus 1, that is p minus 2 equal to 0 and p1 equal to 0, p2 equal to 0 and p1 equal to 0. When p2 equal to 0, it is equal to 0, and p1 equal to 0, it is also by putting the value of x as 1, it is 0. Here putting the value of x as 2, it is also 0. This is also 0, that is also 0. So the polynomial of x, that is px, is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. It is exactly divisible. Exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. It is proved. Next question, if both x minus 2 and x minus half are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, you have to prove that p equal to r. Let fx equal to px square plus 5x plus r, and gx equal to x minus 2 and hx equal to x minus 1 by 2. Gx and hx are factors of fx, therefore gx equal to 0, that is x minus 2 equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Also hx is also equal to 0, therefore x equal to x minus half equal to 0, that is x equal to half. Now f2, putting the value of x as 2, we are getting that 4p plus 10 plus r equal to 0, and f half equal to p by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus r equal to 0. By multiplying this one with 4, we will get p plus 10 plus 4r equal to 0. This is number 2. Since both 1 and 2 equal to 0, therefore 4p plus 10 plus r equal to p plus 10 plus 4r. By cancelling this, we are getting 4p minus p equal to 4r minus r, that is 3p equal to 3r, that is p equal to r, it is proved. What is given here? P equal to r, p equal to r, it is proved. Question number 3. Find the value of a and b so that polynomial x4 plus ax cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus b is exactly divisible by x plus 2 as well as x plus 3. The solution is that let fx equal to x4 plus a x cube minus 7x square minus 8x plus b, and gx equal to x plus 2, also hx is equal to x plus 3. Now x plus 2 equal to 0 because it is exactly divisible by this x plus 2. So x plus 2 is a factor, if x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x equal to minus 2. Similarly x plus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 3. And by factor theorem, fx is divisible by gx if p minus 2, p means the polynomial of, it will be f, not p, but it will be f. P not is f. P minus 2, this is p. P minus 2 equal to this and is equal to 0. Therefore p minus 2 and g h minus 2 hx, if p equal to minus 3, this equal to gx and hx, and this is equal to fx. The factor theorem, fx equal to fully divisible by gx, and it is gx, and if f equal to minus 2, that is f equal to minus 2 equal to 0 and h is equal to hx equal to 0, it will be f not p, f, it will be f, it will be f minus 2 and h minus 2. If p equal to minus 3, it will be f minus 3 equal to 0 2. Therefore f minus 2 equal to 0, f minus 2 equal to 0, or 2 to the power minus 2 to the power 4, minus 2 to the power 4 plus a into minus 2 cube plus 7 minus 2 square minus 8 into minus 2 plus p equal to 0. By solving this, we are getting that 8a minus b equal to 0. Similarly, p minus 3, it will be f minus 3, not p minus 3. In another question, it was taken p, so it is f minus 3 equal to 0. That is, putting the value of x as minus 3, we are getting that 27a minus b equal to 42. This is number 2. By equating number 1 and 2, we are getting that a equal to 2 and b equal to 12. This is the answer. Question number 4. Find the value of a and b so that polynomial x cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Let fx equal to x cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b, and px equal to x minus 1 and gx equal to x minus 2. Fx is completely divisible by px and gx, or x minus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Similarly, x minus 2 equal to 0 or x equal to 2. It will be not minus 2 but 2. It will be 2. So f1 equal to, when f equal to 1, x equal to 1, the equation is a plus b equal to 9, and when x equal to 2, the equation is 2a plus b equal to 32. By equating these two, we are getting that a equal to 23 and b equal to minus 24. So if a equal to 23 and b equal to 24, then the polynomial will be exactly divisible by x minus 1 and x minus 2. This is all about today. Next day we will get some more problems to be solved problems. This is all about today. Thank you.